Welcome to another informative video by HR How To, your trusted source of HR and career-related advice trusted by millions of followers all over the world. Visit hrhowto.net to access our full content library. Best books for human resources. The role of human resources within an organization has evolved from being passive to being highly active and engaging. Today, HR professionals within the organization are responsible for recruiting, hiring, onboarding, training, and developing a compelling mix of compensation and benefits to retain top talent for as long as possible. Another factor to remember about what qualifies as the best books for human resources is that HR management within different industries will differ drastically, so if you are starting a career as an HR advisor in the healthcare industry, your work content and skill sets requirements will be vastly different from an HR manager who works for a startup. If you are an HR professional in the healthcare industry, I recommend you read the following book. Human Resources in Healthcare. Managing for Success, 5th edition, Kindle edition. One of my favorite best books for human resources. This is a dedicated book for HR professionals in the healthcare industry. If you plan a career in HR within the healthcare industry, this should be your go-to Bible. You can purchase this ebook instantly and start reading it. Managing Human Resources 16th edition. In my opinion, this is one of the best books for human resources. This is because it goes into great depth and detail in discussing modern-day HR issues and providing practical solutions to those challenges. High-impact interview questions. 701 Behavior-based questions to find the right person for every job paperback, October 19, 2017. If you are a recruiter, or recruitment is part of your job, then this is the book for you to select the best candidates. This book will provide you with general interview questions you can ask to hand-pick the best candidates. The Big Book of HR, 10th Anniversary Edition paperback, January 1, 2022. This is considered one of the top 10 books for human resources. Once you read it, you will find all other books inferior and lacking the depth and scope that this book has to offer. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on informative content from HR How To. I have shared all the links for the books mentioned in this video. They are located in the text box below.